Just think how much has been said, written, and theorized about project management. We investigated the matter and found more than 2,000 project management applications worldwide. But the real mind-blowing surprise was this. Despite the huge number of alternatives, even large companies still use Excel for everyday work. Efforts have been made to introduce alternative applications, but with little success. Big question, why is this the case? Companies that trust us opened up and gave us their reasons, and they were real indeed. So we decided this can't go on. A tool was required with features that are based on the needs of project managers, supervisors, senior management, and field staff. At the same time, the system must be able to integrate the entire project ecosystem on the same platform. In fact, managing a project starts with managing the managing. And yes, we built all these features into Broker Site Manager. Would you like to know more? Get in touch with us. We'd love to tell you more.